Hi guys, it's your girl T here. Welcome back to the Mature Uni Law Student channel. Today I just wanted to give you guys a few tips about attending court. I just came from court today myself, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to do a quick video and tell you guys about how my day went. So this morning I went to tribunal court, which immigration issue, and I've went to criminal court before. So I thought, what did I do, or what can I advise you guys to make it easier on you should you attend court for the first time? And if it's not for your first time, just repeated tips and tricks. So first things are, in my opinion, have an idea about what it is you're going to court to hear. So be it a criminal case, an immigration case, a civil matter, whatever it is, have some idea of the background to the proceedings that will be taking place at that day in question, or for the case you're going to court for. That's one. Two, remember etiquette. Etiquette is very important. So turn off your mobile phones, for example, or have it on silent whilst you're in court. Remember to dress appropriately. Don't dress with loud colors, because you cannot be asked to leave if it's distracting to the judge or anyone else in the court during proceedings. In addition to those, don't speak whilst the court is in session. Do not eat whilst the court is in session. You may drink some water or something appropriate to be drunk, but don't drink, like sodas and the cans, that is. Maybe a soda in a bottle may be fine, but remember you're in a courtroom and you can't disturb the proceedings, especially if you're just observing. Maybe you can even have a notebook and a pen to take some notes and see if there's anything that you may or may not understand during the proceeding, and then you can check it up and like, oh, this phrase was made, or that terminology was used, or this reference or whatever it is may have been used that you can use to enable you to further or progress your studies whilst you go back to uni. In addition to those, I found that being punctual is very important. Very, very important. So try not to go into court after the proceedings have started if you can help it. Fair enough, like for example, if you're in there already and you need to get up to go to the toilet or something, then that's absolutely fine. Discreetly excuse yourself from the room. However, if you can get there before proceedings starts, you going and you wait for the judge and the jury to come out, if it's a criminal case or one requiring a jury, or if it's just the judge, then you go in and you wait for the judge, and then the proceedings start. So you're there before, rather than walking in whilst in the middle of a trial or a hearing or whatever the case may be. I'll also like to tell you guys about just a bit about what happens after you enter into court. So you arrive whilst the judge hasn't entered chambers as yet. When he comes in, the court usher would ask everyone to rise. You rise and you give a little bow or nod to the judge, and then he'll say you may be seated. You're seated, you stay quiet. The judge will then open the proceedings and say, well, this is what this case is about, or this is what I would like, or whatever the case may be. However, that judge runs his court and the order he does things. So he'll say, for example, like the judge today said that I have the files, I've received the documents, the trial bundle, this is what this case is about, and the solicitor for the appellant in this case acknowledged that yes, this is it. And the judge were like, okay, well, the defense did not turn up today for this case that I went to. So the judge was like, this is what I've received, this is what this case is about, this is what I may have some questions that I may like to ask the claimant or the appellant in this case, because it's an appeals case. And the solicitor like, yes, okay, your honor, okay, judge, yes sir, whatever is appropriate, or however the judge needs to be referred to or prefer to be addressed. And the case went on from there. So the judge made his opening remarks. Then the solicitor will speak, asking the client stuff like, can you confirm your identity? Can you confirm that the information presented in this trial bundle is correct to the best of your knowledge and stuff like that. After that's done, the judge would then say, for example, if he had any questions, he'll ask questions at this point. If he didn't, he'll say, well, I pass it over to you, the representative for the appellant. You can present your case or present your arguments. And then he presented his arguments. Once the judge was satisfied, or if he wasn't satisfied, in between he'll ask questions. So whilst the solicitor would have made his presentation and presented his arguments, the judge can maybe say, can you please clarify that point? I'm not, or where can I find it? And as the judge is making his arguments, also is very important, he would signpost the judge as he went through the trial bundle or the respective documents in front of him, to where he can find information that he will be reading out so that the judge can follow. And that's very important. You have to signpost the judges so they can follow your argument. If you're just talking, then where's the evidence? They can't see anything and they can't follow you. So it's very important for you to signpost the judge whilst you're presenting your arguments. Even, for example, like when you do moots, if you do moot in your universities, that's a chance for you to do a mock court role where you get to be the solicitor or a barrister for a claimant, and you have a case and you present it to either fellow students or members of the faculty, and you present your argument there and you get judged in it. Then the proceedings will continue during the court trial in this case, or the hearing in this case. And after the lawyer would have presented his information or his arguments, the judge asks questions in between, like I've already stated. Once the judge is satisfied, if the claimant needed to say anything, he can say, you know, I would like to add some information to there for clarification purposes. Or if the defense was there, the defense could have rebutted her and said, well, you know, Your Honor, I interject, I would like to pose a counter argument, or they would have mount their defense, but they weren't there today. And that's what generally happens. So if you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if there's anything that I can help you guys with, or any queries or questions that you may have, please feel free to put it at the bottom. I will put my details on there, or my details are already on there. In addition to that, I do proofreading and light editing services. I offer those. So if you guys need any service like that, I'll put the website details at the bottom. Just check it out. See you guys in the next video. Bye.